back post half double crochet on the next stitch. We basically skip the stitch that's in front of the beginning loop. Put the marker on this stitch right here associated with the first half double crochet that we made to place the slippy stitch at the end of the round. So we chain one, skip one stitch, and do the back post half double crochet on the next stitch. Chain one, skip one stitch, back post half double crochet on the next stitch, chain one, skip one stitch, back post half double crochet on the next stitch, chain one, skip one, back post half double crochet on the next stitch. So keep repeating, and I'll meet you toward the end to show you how the round ends. So I'm near the end of the round now, so I chain one and I skip one stitch and back post half double crochet on the next stitch, chain one, and that was our last half double crochet post. So after the last half double crochet post, we chain one and slippy stitch on the mark stitch. So that's the end of round 4. So let us count to make sure we have 16 posts. And don't worry if your beginning and ending stitches looks like there are 2 stitches, but it's supposed to look like that because the beginning chain one and the first half double crochet is considered as 1 stitch. So you start the count right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So we have the correct count of the total number of posts on this round. On round 5, we can remove all these markings now from round 4. Single crochet on the next space, chain 2, and mark the second chain to put the ending slippy stitch at the end of the round. Then 2 double crochet into the same space, chain 1, 3 double crochet on the next space, repeat chain 1, 3 double crochet on the next space, repeat chain 1, 3 double crochets on the next space, so keep repeating chain 1, 3 double crochets on the next space all the way around, and I'll meet you toward the end to show you how the round ends. So I am toward the end of the round now. After making the 3 double crochets, I chain 1 and 3 double crochet on the next space. Chain 1 and 3 double crochet on the next space, which is the last one. So after the last set of 3 double crochet, then I chain 1 and slip stitch on the marked stitch. So this is the end of round 5. So on round 6, we are going to use front post double crochet. So remember, with back post, we insert the hook at the back like that on the stitch that we are going to use. So this time we insert the hook in front of the stitch. So we start on the right side instead of the wrong side. I'm gonna make a single crochet, so I yarn over and pull up a loop and finish the single crochet like that. And I chain 1, and this counts as an incomplete double crochet. Then skip 1 stitch and do a double crochet on the next double crochet, and this time we are going to complete the incomplete double crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and incomplete double crochet on the front post of the next double crochet. So that's incomplete. Skip 1 double crochet, yarn over and do another double crochet front post on the next double crochet, and this time we are going to complete the incomplete double crochet. Then chain 3, we repeat 1, 2, 3, and do an incomplete double crochet on the next double crochet using the front post. Just like that. And repeat, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, incomplete double crochet on the next double crochet using the front post. Then skip 1 double crochet and front post double crochet on the next one, and this time complete the incomplete double crochet. By the way, the official crochet name for this stitch is double crochet 2 together. Skip 1 stitch and front post double crochet on the next stitch, this time completing the incomplete double crochet. So keep repeating, and I will see you on the end of the round. After the 16th double crochet 2 together, then we chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch on top of the first double crochet 2 together that we made right there. So that's the end of round 6.